Everybody is talking about play to earn crypto right now, but let's be real for a second. Most of the so-called play to earn games either ask you to invest money before you even start, are packed with risk, or just never end up paying anything real. And that's exactly why a lot of people give up before they even begin. But here's the good news. There are legit ways to earn crypto just by playing games, like completely free, with no investment, no experience, and no complicated setup. And in this video, you are getting 8 real options that actually work. Not NFT hype, not expensive blockchain games, no risky token flipping. Just simple games you can play and get paid in real crypto like Bitcoin, Litecoin, USDT, Solana, and more. Before we jump in, there's something important that needs to be cleared up first. Because not all play to earn is the same, and this one difference is what separates people who get paid from people who waste time. So let's break that down quickly. There are two main categories when it comes to earning crypto with games. On one side, you have the GPT sites that stand for Get Paid To. These are platforms where you play mini games, complete small tasks, sometimes answer surveys, and get paid directly in crypto. They are free to join, they don't require investments, they work in most countries, and they let you test many different games in one place. This is what this video focuses on because it's the safest way to start. On the other side, you have standalone crypto games, projects like Axie, Affinity, The Sandbox, and others. They are full gaming ecosystem where you buy NFTs, stake tokens, trade in game assets, and project specific coins. Some of them are real, some definitely pay, but many of them also require upfront investment. This is not what this video is going to be about. So that is why for beginners, GPT game platforms are the smartest starting point. No waste, no pressure, no money down. Just games plus tax plus crypto rewards. Now, let's get into the actual platforms. This is not ranked best to worst because what works best depends on where you live, how much time you have, and the type of games you like. You can join one or you can join several. Let's start with the first option. Option number one is called Gem Sleuth. Gem Sleuth is one of the easiest ways to start earning cryptos with games. Like, it works worldwide. Sign up is free and the payout threshold is low, around 50 cents. That means you don't need to grind forever just to test if it actually pays. You will find different mini games, small tasks, offer-based games. Once you earn enough, you choose your crypto, whether Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Solana. Then you send it straight to your wallet. Simple, clean, straightforward. Now we have option number two. This is called Free Cash. Free Cash is one of the most popular GPT platforms right now. It works in most countries, but it is especially strong in tier 1 countries where payouts are usually higher. So yes, what do you find? High-paying game offers, app installs, surveys, tax-based rewards, and the payout speed is one of the fastest on this entire list. Once your account is verified, you can cash out in seconds or minutes. Minimum payout is around 50 cents. You can get paid in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, USDT, and in some regions, Solana. Great option if you want fast redemptions and many earning methods in one place. Now, moving on to option number 3, this is called Pawns. Pawns is interesting because it lets you earn in two different ways. First is active earning. You can play games, answer surveys, and complete small tasks just like other GPT sites. Second is passive earning. You can install Pawns on your phone or computer and let it run in the background. As long as you're online, it shares your unused internet bandwidth and pays you for it. That means you can play your own games, watch videos, browse the internet, and still earn in the background. It doesn't replace active gaming income, but it stacks on top. So minimum payout is like $5. Crypto payout is currently in Bitcoin and also offers PayPal and gift card if you prefer that. Now moving on to option number 4. This is called Cointeply, and Cointeply is one of the oldest platforms in this space. So it was one of the first sites to ever pay users in Bitcoin. Yeah, you can earn from playing games, watching videos, clicking ads, small tasks, surveys. Minimum payout is around $3.50. You can withdraw in Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dash, Dogecoin, and you send it to any wallet you choose. So if you want something with a solid track record and many ways to earn, this is one of the safest options available. Now, moving on to option number 5. This is called Reward XP. Reward SP gives access to paid gaming offers from many providers. It works globally, has decent payouts, and it pays out in USDT directly to Coinbase. That's a key. That's a key detail. If you already use Coinbase, this makes withdrawal very simple. They also offer crypto vouchers, but those usually come with higher fees, so the USDT option is the cleanest way to go. Now, moving on to option number 6. This is called Grass. Grass is different from everything else on this list. This is not about playing games directly. This is about earning in the background while you play. You install Grass on your device, it runs quietly, it shares unused internet bandwidth, and you earn points. Those points later get converted into Grass tokens during official airdrops. Important things to know: it runs on the Solana blockchain. Airdrops don't happen on a fixed schedule. You don't know the exact payout date in advance, but Grass has paid before, so it is not theoretical. One critical safety warning I warn you about is there are many fake Grass airdrop scams online. Never connect your wallet to links from random social media posts. Only trust the official Grass website, the official Grass social accounts. Scammers are everywhere in this space, so be very careful. Now, option number 7 is called Price Rebel. Price Rebel is another global GPT platform with game offers, surveys, task-based rewards. It also has a membership leveling system. The more active you are, the better your bonuses. The higher your priority payouts, the better your rewards ratios. Minimum payouts is $5. Crypto payouts are handled through BitPay. That means you can receive Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other supported coins directly into your preferred wallet. Option 8, NLab. NLab is one of the newer but very flexible GPT sites. You will find game-based offers, surveys, paid tasks, free contests. The biggest advantage here is the wide variety of crypto rewards. They offer popular cryptos, smaller alternative coins, coins that many GPT sites don't support. Payout speed is also fairly quick once you redeem it. So, good option if you like flexibility with your rewards. Now, here is the most important part of this entire video. Yes, this site alleges. Yes, they can pay. Yes, you can earn crypto without investing money. But this is not a shortcut to becoming rich. This works best when you're already enjoying gaming, you want side income, you want to stack small amount of crypto over time, you want to learn how crypto wallets work safely. Think of this as entry-level crypto earning, low-risk learning, extra money on this side. One powerful thing about getting paid in crypto is that the crypto you earn today could be worth much more in the future, depending on the coin and the market. But every decision about holding, selling, or converting is always your responsibility. No one can predict the market. If you are new to making money online and new to crypto, platforms like these are actually some of the safest ways to start earning. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.